Did you know you can create a stunning hair bow in just a few minutes without any sewing? Stay tuned to learn how. We will be using satin ribbon, cut into a diagonal shape, heat seal to avoid fraying, we will fold to mark our middle point. We will be making a 15 cm size hair bow, so we will bring our middle point to the 7.5 cm mark. Now we will gather the ribbons to form it into a bow. And we will secure the shape with a cotton thread. We will attach it to the hair tie. And a piece of ribbon for our centerpiece. And it's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!